To get access to the section, you can pop this off like so, and as you can see down in to the drop. Okay, once you do that, okay, so what you want to do after that is going to remove this pin, right? Once this pin is removed, then we're going to remove the spring and the drop and the pedal, like so. Come around and remove the pedal, this one, on the opposite side of the tension handle. You can remove the tension handle completely for this one. Right, that way you're not pushing on the balls that are inside. I remove the tension handle altogether. Now you can see that the kicker plate, this is going to be the next thing we remove. Using a 3/16 Allen wrench. Okay. So. So, just like that. Okay, that, put that off to the side, and then remove this little plastic piece. This is the stopper. I'll be putting this back. This will allow you to remove the L drop. Okay. Now what you want to do is take a magnetic screwdriver that has a magnetic tip. Okay. And we're going to go in from this side. Okay. This would be the side where the table would be, the hole in the table. We're going to come in. And you're going to slide this in all the way as far as get it. This will allow you to get the ball. You see the ball there? It fell out. Okay. Now you're going to do is going to go in again, and this should have to make sure that it's magnetic. That doesn't work. Length of wire, like a paper clip, just to get it started. Down in. Just a small bend in it. Oh. Get it started, like so. Once it's started, using the screwdriver, you push it out. Once it's out, then you can pull it out like so, like that. Okay, now there's a ball already in there still. the other end. So a matter of just replacing the spring, okay, and putting it back in like so. Now, when you're doing this, you're going to have the table upright, of course. So your finger is going to be here, but for this purpose, I'm going to put my finger here. So I'm going to put this here, and then using the screwdriver again, we're going to push everything back into position. Okay, and then using on the opposite side, so the ball doesn't come out. Okay, or on this side, the ball doesn't come out. You're going to keep your finger over this hole as you put the new L drop in. So, okay, and the L drop is in there, and then it's just a matter of putting the tension handle back in so that the drop doesn't come out. Okay, once we do that, then we take the spacer, put it back into place, take the kicker plate, put that back into place, like so. Okay. And usually I like to use my little finger right here, so that when I tighten this down, okay, the kicker plate will go up against my finger, but that gives it space, okay, so it doesn't go all the way around, so it's not going to be scraping against the side. So when you tighten it down, okay, now, and that's that. Now, the other thing is, now we can put the foot pedal back in. Like so. That. Put the pin in. You see that? The pin into place. Okay. Sometimes it can be difficult, so it's a spin, like so, and then we put the spring, we hook the spring back around, okay, we put the spring, hook it back around, and we put the spring back into place, like so, and there. We replaced the spring, and we replaced the L drop. Okay, and then the next step will be putting the plug back into here. Okay, and then it should be done. And then check the drop, make sure it's working okay, and put the pad back, and etc., etc.